like cold? No? Oh my goodness! I'm going to go to work. Wow, this is the most snow I ever seen. I've been here.
Yeah?
I came here in July.
Yeah.
That's the most snow this place ever had.
Oh wow.
I don't know about the most. We've had more than this before.
Oh yeah?
Definitely like a 2 feet.
We've had like 5 feet before.
Whoa. How many feet right now?
Right now it's like 2, right?
Right now
Mom, how many feet of snow are we supposed to get? How many feet of snow are we supposed to get? No, 18. Oh, inches.
Oh, okay. Okay.
18 inches, yeah.
Bye. Woo! I just fell. Oh my goodness. I'm okay. Going down the hill and taking video. That's what happened. I just fell.
Oh, you be careful because my daughter split her head open.
Oh my goodness. Look at the car almost buried. Half of the car almost buried with the snow. Oh my God. Snow mountain from the plowing. Yeah, they're about to plow another one. So many branches falling from heavy snow. That's my work right there. Slippery. Oh my goodness, my clothes covered with snow right now. Look at it. Plowing the snow.